Hi. Okay, come on, we're gonna follow Pipa. Go ahead. Inside. So this right here is a single room here. This is the front of the place. And then the entrance, right, Pipa? The entrance. Let's show them the guest room here. Look over here. Right over there, there's another room up here. Okay. And then, okay, let's open it. Okay. And this is the main room right here, and you can see Fifi and Mommy. Nice little couch. You want to show them the CR? But the CR is right over here. You just, it has these rolling doors like this. And then that's the CR. And if you live in the US, that's just the restroom, the bathroom. And then let's show them the shower. And it also has rollers. Okay, let's show them the shower first. Too. Okay, so this is a dining room area, and then the TV's up there. So there are high ceilings, and let's show them the kitchen. Show them the kitchen. See, this is the kitchen. You have all the microwave, rice cooker, small fridge. Okay, now so she's excited. The people wants to show you the pool area. Okay, let's go. Let's show them. This is where we're gonna be swimming. Whoa. And then this is cooking area here, outdoor seating area. So, outdoor. So we have like a little waterfall here. And there. That's cool, huh? You ready to go swimming? Yeah. And then there's Mommy and Fifi, but this is the back end. And a little hallway that goes from the front to the back. Okay, let's go back inside. Let's show them the upstairs. Okay. Oh, this is where we're going, this loft area. This is where we're gonna be sleeping. And let's follow Pipa. Oh, look, there's a little day bed here. So you can kind of read your book while watching who's swimming. Now, let's follow Pipa. I got several beds here. This is the bunk bed area, and I guess this is the bed. Bunk beds. We have 4 bunk beds. Okay, and then this is where Mommy and Fifi is gonna be sleeping right here. And the cool thing is that if you want privacy, there's this divider. So it divides the rooms. But we don't need that. We're really good because that's the railing. So right here. Hey, Fifi. Say hi. So that's a view from up here. Okay. All right, so that's it. And now, of course, we have our aircon here. That's the ceiling. All right. What else you want to show them? You want to show them anything else?
Yeah. Let's go down.
Okay, let's follow Pipa. She wants to go down. What do you want to show them? together. Say bye-bye, everyone. Happy Valentine's Day.